Worried about your online accounts getting hacked? You're not alone. And the good news is, securing your accounts is easier than you might think. In this video, we'll walk you through simple, step-by-step actions you can take right now to protect your accounts. Quick start for securing online accounts. If you only do a few things, start with these. They make the biggest difference. Use a strong, unique password for each account. Turn on two-factor authentication. Update your passwords for important accounts. Now let's go step by step to fully secure your accounts. Step 1. Use strong, unique passwords. The most common way accounts get hacked is through weak or reused passwords. Remember, don't reuse passwords across accounts. Avoid simple passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If one account gets compromised, reused passwords can put everything else at risk. Step 2. Turn on two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, also called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security. It requires a code in addition to your password that is usually sent to your phone or generated by an app. Even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without that second step. Step 3. Secure your email account. Your email account is the key to everything, including your online accounts. Password resets go through email. Many accounts are linked to it. Make sure your email has a strong password and two-factor authentication turned on. If your email is compromised, other accounts can quickly follow. Step 4. Watch for phishing scams. One of the easiest ways hackers get access is through phishing. They use fake emails or messages, links that look real but aren't, requests for login info. Always double-check links before clicking, and never enter your password on sites you don't fully trust. Step 5. Keep your devices updated. Software updates aren't just about new features, they also fix security vulnerabilities. Remember to update your phone, tablet, and computer. Keep apps up to date. Outdated software can leave your accounts exposed. Step 6. Review account activity. Most accounts let you check recent login activity. Look for unknown devices, unrecognized locations. If you see anything suspicious, change your password immediately and log out of all devices. Step 7. What to do if you're compromised. If you think one or more of your accounts has been hacked, act quickly. Change your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication. Check for unusual activity. The faster you respond, the easier it is to limit damage. Common mistake. One of the most common mistakes people make when securing their online accounts is reusing the same password across multiple accounts. They use the same password for email, banking, and apps. Slight variations of the same password. Prioritizing convenience over security. If just one account gets compromised, attackers can use that same password to access your other accounts, especially your email, which can unlock everything else. That's why using unique passwords for each account is one of the most important steps you can take. Remember, most people don't get hacked because of complex attacks. They get hacked because they reuse passwords. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.